Hi, it's Rhoda. I'm in the Maiden studio, and this is our guide to cleaning and maintaining your CeramiClad cookware. CeramiClad has such a slick surface that you can give a lot of things a quick wipe and keep on cooking. And when you're finished cooking, let your pan cool all the way to room temperature to help prevent warping. Then take it over to the sink, hit it with a little warm soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. So let's say you've got a little bit more of a sticky residue in your pan. Heat it up over medium-low with warm soapy water until it starts to simmer. When it starts simmering, take a silicone, wooden, or nylon utensil and just gently scrape that sticky residue off. As you can see, it's releasing really easily. Once everything is released, you can wash this with warm water, soap, and a non-abrasive sponge. And if you have some staining or discoloration for maybe accidentally burning something, you can make a paste with 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar and 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and then just gently scrub using a non-abrasive sponge. And that should lift it right out. And just follow with a normal wash. And if this still isn't working, you can add a little water and simmer this mixture over medium-low heat, and then wash it as normal. And finally, make sure you dry your pans really well before storing them. If you're planning on stacking them, use a pan protector or a dish towel in between them. Thanks for watching Maiden's Guide to Cleaning and Caring for CeramiClad Pans.